Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of HealthSense Fitdays Smart Bluetooth Scale. The model number of this scale is BS171. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. I bought it from Amazon for approximately $16.99. This scale comes with 1 year warranty. I am using a weight scale from HealthSense from the past 3 years or so. It is working perfectly, so I gone for HealthSense again for Smart Bluetooth Scale. This is how the packaging looks. Here you can see the branding. You can see the branding everywhere. Now let's come to the back. At the back you can see some of the important features such as advanced BI technology, high precision G sensors, and it has a bright white LED, and you can set your goal and so on. And here you can see the complete body analysis such as body weight, body mass index, body fat percentage, body water percentage, and so on. You can check the muscle mass also. The price mentioned on the box is rupees 3000, but as I said previously, you can get it for approximately $16.99, and the country of origin is China, so it is not made in India. So let's open the box. On opening the box, you will find some booklets. Here is a booklet on how to use the HealthSense Bluetooth weight scale, and you have some more information regarding on how to use this weighing scale. And here is a warranty card. Okay, let's open this from the box. Let's open this carefully. And here is a weighing scale. Let's remove this from the cover. The back of the HealthSense Bluetooth scale looks like this, and the front side looks like this. This weighing scale is made up of toughened glass. It is not plastic, it is glass. You need to download the Fitdays app from the Play Store or from the App Store. And here you can see that these are the sensors. Let's remove the battery compartment. With the scale itself, you will get two AAA batteries. The approximate weight of this scale is 1.2 kgs. Let's open the Play Store or App Store, and you need to install the Fitdays app. I have already installed the Fitdays app. If you can see properly, let's open this and give the permissions. I will register on the app and I will come back. Here you can see that the scale is turned on. On the Fitdays app, you need to add the device. You need to click on pair device, and once it is done, it will show like this, and click on connect and click on confirm. Now here you can see that I have applied some pressure, and you can see the reading automatically changing on the app. Here you can see that the syncing is perfect. The best part about this weighing scale is that you can sync the data of HealthSense to Google Fit app, Apple Health app, and Fitbit. As I said in the starting, with this weighing scale you can check the body weight, body mass index, body fat percentage, visceral fat, body water percentage, and so on. And the company claims that the batteries which you place will easily last for 1 year depending upon your usage. Here you can see the weight and the Bluetooth symbol since it is connected to my phone. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.